Yeah, we got it going on, yeah, yeah, yeah. We got it going on, yeah.
Look at him, boy. Just chilling with a bird on the back. But wait, there's more. Just chilling, man, laying down. Having a good old nap. Feels pretty good out here. Especially in the shade. It's got cool weather. Iguanas. There's an iguana somewhere over there. Oh, there it is. Right there on the tip of my nail. Right there. It just walked up there. Pretty cool beast. Just Outback Steakhouse. I mean, Outback chilling in the garden. Just chewing up some grass. I don't know if he's got gum or what, but this motherfucker's been chewing all day. Probably eating some gum or some shit. But yeah. It's breezy out. Pretty neat. Just chilling. Getting that exercise going on. He sprinted over here. He sprinted right when he got to me, took a break, and now he's off again. Good exercise. Great day to do it. Fantastic. Brilliant.